In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-up form on Mailchimp. By the end, you'll have a polished, on-brand form ready to capture emails and grow your audience, all without any coding. Make sure you're logged into your Mailchimp account so we can jump straight in. First, open Mailchimp and head to your dashboard. From there, look for your audience tools. You'll see an option related to forms. Go ahead and click Forms. This area is where Mailchimp organizes the different ways you can collect new contacts. It keeps everything in one place so you can build, edit, and manage your forms without hunting around. Next, we'll create a pop-up. Click Create Pop-up Form. A pop-up is a great choice when you want a bold, attention-grabbing prompt that invites visitors to subscribe as they browse your site. It's quick to set up and usually delivers strong conversion rates when it's designed clearly and triggered at the right moment. Now, navigate to the Sign Up Forms section. This brings you to the Form Builder and Template options. Think of this as your starting canvas. You can browse layouts, styles, and content blocks designed to make your form look professional right away. For this walkthrough, we'll choose the free shipping option as our example. You can pick any style you prefer, but using a promotional angle like this works well if you run an online store or want to highlight a compelling incentive. The key is to match the form's promise to your audience's interests. Next, choose templates to browse the available designs. You'll find templates for different goals and aesthetics. As you pick, consider how the template will look on mobile screens. Since a large percentage of signups happen on phones, clean layouts with a short headline and a single call to action tend to perform best. Click the template that suits you. Don't worry if it's not perfect yet. This is just your base. You'll customize the text, fields, colors, and imagery in a moment. Focus on the overall structure and how the form will fit your brand's look and tone. Click into the Form Name field. Naming matters, especially once you have multiple forms running. Choose something descriptive so you can quickly identify it later in your reports and automations. Type in the name of your form. A clear naming convention might include the placement and purpose, like pop-up, free shipping, home. This small habit makes organization and troubleshooting much easier down the line. Now click Create Form. Mailchimp will generate your editable form based on the template you selected, and you'll land in the form editor. Here's where you customize. Update the headline so it's crisp and benefit-driven. Keep the description short and focused on what subscribers will get. For fields, collect only what you truly need. Email is essential, first name is nice for personalization, and anything beyond that can lower conversion rates. Adjust colors and fonts to match your brand. Swap images or icons if needed, and make the button copy action-oriented, like Sign Me Up or Get the Offer. If applicable, add brief consent language so people understand how you'll use their email. As you tweak, preview on desktop and mobile to confirm spacing, readability, and contrast. Once you're happy, click Save and Review. This step is your final checkpoint. Scan for typos, confirm the right audience is selected, and double-check any display settings that control when and how the pop-up appears. A quick final look on mobile helps catch small layout issues. When everything looks good, click Publish or Schedule. Publishing makes the form available right away, while scheduling lets you plan it around a campaign or a promotion window. After it's live, keep an eye on signups and refine copy, colors, or timing as needed to improve results. And that's it. You've created a Mailchimp sign-up form, customized it to your brand, reviewed it carefully, and published it. Follow these steps each time you need a new form, and you'll build a consistent, effective sign-up experience across your site.